Let's solve hard SAT question. The area of a triangle is equals to x square inches. The base of the triangle is 5 plus 2x inches and the height of the triangle is x minus 2 inches. What is the value of x? So to solve this question, we need to know the formula of area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is A is equals to 1/2 base times height. So if we know this, we can solve easily this question. So we have area of a triangle, it gives x squared, right? So x squared is equals to our then 1/2 our base is 5 plus 2x, right? 5 plus 2x and our height is x minus 2. Here it is, x minus 2. So multiply both sides by 2 to cancel this fraction. Then 2x squared is equals to 5 plus 2x, then x minus 2. Then when we multiply this, we get 2x squared plus x minus 10. Then we have here 2x squared. Then we subtract here 2x minus 2x, then we have 0 is equals to x minus 10. Yes, so now we finished. So our x value is 10. So the answer is D. So to solve this question easily, just we need to know this area formula, area of a triangle. So don't forget to comment your question for other questions.